everyone, and welcome to another development update for Shadow Heroes Vengeance in Flames. We get the behind-the-scenes access to all the things we're currently working on the game. So yesterday, we're all over the place. Yesterday, we did all kinds of different things for a bunch of different categories. So first and foremost, we got a good chunk of our development wiki back. Lots and lots of records on there, a bunch of the users and everything were all able to be restored without much of a problem, so that's excellent. So for anybody who doesn't know what was going on with that, last Thursday there was a surge or something at the hosting company who hosts all of our server information, and we had like 50 databases or something on there, and it damaged the hard drives in the SQL server, so it kind of broke up the hard drives. Well, not the hard drives, but it broke the hard drives, and it broke all the databases that we had as well. We had like 50 databases. So they went to go do a backup, but the backup was also damaged, and like restore from a backup. So that didn't go anywhere. So anyway, the hard drives went off, and they went to a recovery center. And yesterday they came back in, and everything was restored on pretty much all of the databases, except the wiki, which was like one of the number one ones that we really wanted to get back. So we were a little bit out of luck, so we had to go with one of our local backups, which we got from way long time ago. It was like almost a year ago, but it got a lot of information up on there in terms of like the users and everybody who's a lot of the main content. We have all the content still, so it's not that it's lost, it's just the records and the revisioning of it isn't as organized. So basically our next steps moving forward with the wiki is to continue to rebuild it, kind of hunker down and put things back to where they're supposed to be and rebuild the pages. It had grown quite a bit, and it had a lot of the writing stuff on there kind of filled in and flushed out. This was before the flash fictions at all, so we got to add the flash fiction sections and categories and re-upload a bunch of images, but at least everything, we still have all the files, so it's not like we're completely lost. It's just the organization that needs to be done again. But that's only one of the things that we worked on yesterday, and it's kind of a big thing, so I wanted to mention it. On top of that, we also did a post for an update, and we're going to be doing updates a lot more often now, so I'm going to switch over to that. So this is our update. We introduced the main character of our game. This is Captain Armus. So we go over a lot of information about him. We talk about who he is, give his backstory, how he got in the position that he currently is, where he currently is, and kind of how people see him as a person that you're going to be playing as. So this is the main character of the very first campaign that we're going to be coming out with for the Republic of Three Towers. So we really a lot of people wanted to see more characters, and they like the characters and the way that it kind of works. So we decided to release more character information. So this is one of the characters that we're going to be releasing. We've got a lot more of them in the future. So if you guys like this type of information, we get the backstories and the histories and that type of stuff. Like we say down here, send us a direct message, leave us a comment, jump over to our Steam page and say something there as well. It's all good. We pay attention to everything every single day, and we love talking to you guys. So just let us know what you guys think. So that's another thing that we did, and it's another pretty big thing because we like talking to you guys. So on top of that, we also wanted to reward anybody who's backed us so far. So we started putting together some little avatars for forums and things. So these are the avatars that we've come up with so far, and it looks like I'm just barely not covering up the chanter down there, so we're good. So this is actually 100% size, so each one's actually there. They're on transparent backgrounds, so I can get rid of those, and they'll be transparent. They can work on the forums and be just fine, and everything's good. These aren't quite done yet. Some of them need some tweaking still, like the martyr down here might be a little bit too busy, and the exorcist might not be busy enough. His are kind of little swirly framey bits are a bit small in comparison to everybody else's. Poor guy. So So we're really going to be moving forward with this, and we want to give anybody who's a backer at all, whether it's one of the $5 pledges or the $5,000 pledges, we want to give you access to these as well, just as an extra bonus to say, yes, thank you for supporting us. You can use these wherever you want, and yeah, just kind of leaving it at that. So this is more stuff that we've been working on, and yeah. We hope you guys like what you see. If you do, leave a comment here on YouTube. Jump over to our Steam, tell us what you think there. Come pledge on our Kickstarter or send us a direct message. There's lots of different ways of getting a hold of us. We like talking to you, so talk and we will answer. Strike up a conversation. It's all good. And yeah, so hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys next time.